The DJI OSMO Pocket series has revolutionized handheld cameras, combining gimbal-stabilized 4K technology with a compact design. These devices have become essential tools for vloggers, travelers, and content creators. The latest model, the OSMO Pocket 3, launched in October 2023, introduced significant upgrades including a larger 1-inch sensor, a 2-inch screen, and portrait filming capabilities. So what about its next generation, OSMO Pocket 4? While DJI has not officially announced the OSMO Pocket 4, we can make informed predictions based on past release patterns. The original OSMO Pocket debuted in November 2018, followed by the Pocket 2 in October 2020, and the Pocket 3 in October 2023. This 3-year cycle suggests that the OSMO Pocket 4 might arrive in late 2026 or early 2027, barring any changes to DJI's product timeline. The Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor with 9.4 megapixels was a significant upgrade from its predecessor. However, some users have noted a decrease in detail and sharpness. DJI may address this in the Pocket 4 by increasing the resolution while maintaining or enhancing low-light performance and dynamic range. Currently, the Pocket 3 can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, FPS. To stay competitive with devices like the GoPro Hero 10 Black, which offers 4K at 120 frames per second and 2.7K at 240 frames per second, DJI may push these limits further in the Pocket 4. This would particularly appeal to slow-motion enthusiasts. The Pocket 3 features Active Track 6.0 for subject tracking and focusing. However, some users have reported inconsistencies, especially in challenging lighting conditions. The Pocket 4 could see improvements in this area, possibly through additional focus points or advanced technologies like phase detection or eye tracking. While the Pocket 3's 2-inch rotatable touchscreen was a significant improvement, users have reported difficulties in bright sunlight or when wearing gloves. DJI might enhance the Pocket 4's screen by increasing its size, sharpness, brightness, or responsiveness. The OSMO Pocket series offers various accessories to expand functionality, such as the Creator Combo with its wireless microphone, wide-angle lens adapter, tripod mount, and mini control stick. For the Pocket 4, DJI might introduce new accessories like external battery packs, waterproof cases, telephoto lens adapters, or ND filter sets to cater to diverse user needs. While not specifically mentioned in the original text, improved battery life is a common desire among users of portable devices. DJI may focus on extending the Pocket 4's operational time between charges. Although the OSMO Pocket series is known for its excellent stabilization, DJI might further refine this technology in the Pocket 4 to handle more challenging shooting conditions. Enhanced built-in microphones or improved integration with external audio devices could be a focus for the Pocket 4, catering to the needs of vloggers and content creators. Improved wireless connectivity or the addition of new connection options could enhance the Pocket 4's versatility and ease of use. DJI may introduce new shooting modes, filters, or editing capabilities within the device's software to expand creative possibilities. While these predictions are speculative, they are based on current trends, user feedback, and DJI's history of innovation. As the release date approaches, DJI may provide official teasers or announcements about the OSMO Pocket 4's features and capabilities.